Tesla and Elon Musk shocked the world last week when it was revealed that the company had sold off nearly $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. The move sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency community, with many wondering why Musk would choose to sell such a large amount of Bitcoin. Now we may have an answer. I'm the Market Monkey, and today we delve into the reasons behind Elon Musk's decision to sell Tesla's Bitcoin stash. When Tesla first announced that it had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin back in February 2021, the price of the cryptocurrency surged. The move was seen as a validation of Bitcoin by one of the world's most influential companies and its successful CEO. Fast forward to July 2022, and Musk has seemingly done a 180 on his stance on Bitcoin. So what changed? During the latest Tesla's earnings call, Elon stated the following is the official reason for selling the equivalent of $936 million in Bitcoin. The reason we sold a bunch of our Bitcoin holdings was that we were uncertain when the COVID lockdowns in China would alleviate, so it was important for us to maximize our cash position. Given the uncertainty of COVID lockdowns in China, the amount sold represents 75% of the total crypto asset held by Tesla, which means the company still have $222 million worth of Bitcoin. Following the announcement, the cryptocurrency lost 2.5% of its already downward spiraling value, generating panic among lots of crypto enthusiasts. Many of them actually turned on Musk, who was once seen as the industry's savior and savant. After all, he is the man that was able to send to the moon a meme coin with a simple tweet. Many rumors started to spread on the internet on what could be the reason for Musk to jettison Bitcoin, and some of those might actually hold water. The most apocalyptic theory comes from people that have always been skeptical about cryptocurrencies, comparing them to pyramid schemes or the great fool kind of scams. They claim that Elon Musk sold all of Tesla's Bitcoin holdings because he had insider information, proving the downward trend isn't going to stop anytime soon, and the cryptocurrency is steadily crashing toward having no value at all. The easy counter-argument to this is that if Musk really knew such a thing, he would have sold the entire stash of Teslas instead of keeping more than $200 million worth of Bitcoin. A less radical theory, but that might actually make more sense, is that Elon Musk decided to sell because he realized that there's no solution that could prevent the humongous consumption of energy connected to Bitcoin transactions and its mining. After all, ever since Tesla announced its investment in Bitcoin, many criticized such a move for being in direct contrast with the company mission of helping the transition towards a more sustainable environment. Whatever the reason may be, one thing is for sure. Elon Musk is a wild card, and anything can happen when it comes to his involvement in cryptocurrency. So stay tuned for more updates on this story, as I'm sure there's going to be more twists and turns in the coming weeks. I'm the Market Monkey, and if you found this video useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing and turning the notifications on. This video does not constitute as financial nor trading advice, and to be frank, you'd be crazy to follow the directions of some random gorilla on the internet.